No case and cuff for school once I said. Kingston streets in the 80s, hit me youth was wild and free. Concrete jungles, zinc fence, yeah, the rhythm shape the destiny. Dance all nights, barefoot skank the music, call we name. From halfway tree to crossroads lane, life now ever tame. Under the hockey tree, we a laugh up, plan big dreams on the block. Mama a shout, picnic take time, but the vibes can't stop. We say cassette tape, bus on the stereo, ninja antenna saw. Every youth man dream big, but the system a keep we poor. Chinese shop run act with party and box juice on the side. The sunburn face, but the Kingston breeze make we glide. The nearby yard full of chat and game cricket make the band tight. Nightfall come fire light ablaze, we reason till the daylight. Kingston days where the rhythm runs strong. We live for the moments, the memories long. The laughter, the pain, it build with soul. Jamaican youth, the fire never cold. Me say get to life rough, but the spirit tough, we now go bow. The siren wheel and the blue light flash, Babylon take control now. But we rally on the corner, chat about change for the land. The GenX youth rise up tall, unity in we hand. Gun talk echo, but the reggae suit, we not take debate. The zinc fence vibrate with rhythm, hope not ever late. School shoes lean, but my mind sharp, my knowledge run deep. The streetwise lesson shape my path, fi climb Jah hole is steep. Me chant, Jah guide me through the trials. From parade to August down the road long for miles. Me friends scatter like breeze, some no make it here, but me carry them spirit every moment me share. Kingston days where the rhythm runs strong. We live for the moments, the memories long. The laughter, the pain, it build with soul. Jamaican youth, the fire never cold. Kingston days where the rhythm runs strong. We live for the moments, the memories long. The laughter, the pain, it build with soul. Jamaican youth, the fire never cold. Junk and hoop on the Christmas road, the drum beat shake with chest. Carnival colors light up the town, we step out in we best. Me granny yard full for Sunday, pack the center, make we float. Curry goat, rice and peas, with the sorrel fi wash the throat. Dancehall make the nights electric, the DJs run it hot. Kingston youth in the spotlight, the vibes make we rock. Me say every skank a memory, every rhythm a story fi tell. Jamaica strong, the GenX voice like the sound of the kettlebell. Oh, Kingston days, them shape me heart. Every yard, every lane, a work of art. From the sunrise glow to the reggae nights, Jamaican youth, the legacy bright. Kingston days where the rhythm runs strong. We live for the moments, the memories long. The laughter, the pain, it build with soul. Jamaican youth, the fire never cold.